Ever wondered how to create a Printful account? Well, you're in the right place. Printful is a global dropshipping company that puts your business ideas into tangible products. By having an account, you can create and sell your own custom designs worldwide without worrying about inventory or shipping. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can help you scale your business, whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an established brand. Now let's dive into the process of creating a Printful account. Creating a Printful account starts with a simple sign-up process. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Printful website. This is your starting point, your gateway to a world of seamless print-on-demand services. Once you're there, your eyes should be drawn to the top right corner of the homepage. You'll find a button that reads, Start Selling. This button is more than just a part of the website's design, it's your first step towards creating your own Printful account. Now this Start Selling button isn't just there for show, it's there for you to click on. It's there to guide you, to direct you towards the sign-up process. So go ahead, give it a click. It's a small action that takes you one step closer to accessing Printful's wide range of services. Once you've clicked on Start Selling, you'll be directed to the sign-up page. Now you're on the sign-up page, here, you'll be required to fill out a form. This is where the magic begins, folks. You see, every field in this form is a stepping stone towards your Printful account. Let's kick things off with the basics. Your full name, as it appears on your official documents, no nicknames, no pseudonyms. This is important for a seamless experience down the line. Next up we have the email address field. Please, oh please, ensure you put in a valid email. This isn't just where Printful will send your order updates, but it's also your lifeline for password recovery. Speaking of passwords, let's dive into that next. You'll need to create a strong password. Consider a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. The more complex it is, the harder for those pesky internet trolls to crack it. But remember, it should be something you can remember. Maybe write it down somewhere safe if you need to. Now you'll notice a couple more fields like company name and phone number. If you're running a business, put in your company name. If not, no worries, it's optional. Your phone number, however, is crucial. This is another layer of security and a means for Printful to reach you if needed. After filling out all the required fields, you'll need to click on the Create My Account button. And voila! You're one step closer to making your print-on-demand dreams come true. Upon clicking Create My Account, Printful will send a verification email to the provided address. Now this is a key step in securing your account and ensuring that you're the only one who has access to it. So keep an eye on your inbox for that email. Now the email from Printful will contain a link. This link is your golden ticket to the world of Printful. Click on it to verify your account and you'll be good to go. This is a standard process in most online platforms, and it's designed to protect your account from unauthorized access. Once your account is verified, you're ready to start setting up your Printful profile. You'll be prompted to choose a plan that suits your needs. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an established business owner, Printful has a variety of plans to cater to your unique requirements. Next, you'll need to set up your payment details. This is a straightforward process. You can choose from a variety of payment methods including credit or debit cards and PayPal. Just enter your details and you'll be all set. Setting up your account properly is an important part of ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience with Printful. It might seem like a lot of steps, but each one is designed to make your Printful journey as seamless as possible. Once you've done all this, congratulations! You now have a Printful account. So, there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to create a Printful account. We've journeyed from the initial sign-up process, to diligently filling out the form with accurate information, and finally verifying your account. Remember, accuracy and verification are crucial to a smooth sailing experience with Printful. It's not just about creating an account, it's about setting a strong foundation for your business. With your new Printful account, you're now ready to start selling. Good luck!